No,
Look at all the smoke. Waylon! Come here.
Oh, my child.
Come here, my son.
Where do you have sugar?
Waylon, come here.
Right here, right there.
Come closer.
You have any?
You're the one that did it. What did you do?
You smoked all the cigarettes.
You lying ass thing. You. What did you put in the microwave?
Well, let me have your cooler.
The blueberry?
Come here. I can't hear you. You got to come closer. Over here.
I'll make like a little one in a cup. We'll try that.
Okay.
Why is the kitchen all smoky, Waylon?
I don't know.
What did you do, Waylon?
I put a cinnamon
Put your hand down. I can't hear you.
put a cinnamon bun in there for 3 minutes.
You put a what?
You couldn't hear me?
No. You were mumbling. Put your thing down.
The camera can't.
What'd you do?
I put a cinnamon bun in the microwave for 3 minutes.
And how big was that cinnamon bun?
Not big.
Oh, my God, child. I can't believe you.
So, Waylon got the kitchen all smoky. I guess we can smoke in the house now.
It's a little cleared out at least now. Shit.
We can smoke in the house now, right?
No.
Waylon got to. Why can't we?
Because I've never smoked.
This is a test run.
Okay. Blueberry. Shit. Need a spoon? Oh, there's some.
Really? You guys go measure it out?
We're testing it. It's a tester. I thought we had more lemons.
You ate them all.
I didn't eat them all. I cut them and put them in my water. Shh, we're all smoked out in this house, Jonathan. He's like, what the hell happened?
Your brother
The
got cut.
microwave's gonna stink for a while, huh?
You had to leave it open.
That's what I did, but Wayne kept shutting it.
Then clean that like baking soda.
Oh! What are you doing?
Who, doggy?